1.5 million pesos kada brick. Yan ang binibigay sa mga congressman para sa kanilang operating expenses and miscellaneous expenses according to Congressman Tiangco. This on top of the monthly pa, nakuha nila ng pangbayad din sa ganyan na halos 1 milyon. Ngayon, ano yung problema? Unang-una sa lahat, hindi siya transparent. Pangalawa, hindi siya kailangan i-liquidate. At hindi siya kailangan gawa ng resibo. Apparently, basta napirmahan lang yung cash voucher, makukuha na nila yung perang yon at bahala na sila sa buhay nila kung paano nila gagastusin yung 1.5 million na yan or yung monthly na 1 million. Now, dapat pumupunta daw yun sa distrito nila sa operational expenses ng district offices nila. Pero again, walang transparency, walang accountability at bahala na si congressman kung paano niya gagastusin yung kaperahan na yon. Maybe in a perfect world na may tiwala tayo sa Congress. Okay lang yon. Pero alam naman natin yung situation now and alam natin kung gaano kasama ang lack of trust, ang crisis of trust right now when it comes to the government. Kaya even yung mga gantong bagay, binubuklat at kuni-question. Ngayon, speaking of mga kuni-question, hindi lang to nangyayari this administration. Apparently, according to Congressman Tiangco, ever since he was a congressman in 2010, nangyayari na to. Pero lumalaki at lumalaki at lumalaki yung amount, which is the biggest na apparently right now, noong 2025 heading into 2026. And apparently also, hindi lahat ng congressman nakukuha yung bonus na to. In fact, malamang siguro kung hindi ka sangayon sa administrasyon at hindi ka in good favor, baka hindi mo nga makuha. So, ang tanong, dapat ba mangyari to? At dapat bang nangyayari to? Ako tatanungin nyo kung kailangan talaga ng district nila ng pera na yon, okay lang naman. Pero there should be total transparency on how the money is spent and there should be accountability in the sense na hanapan ng resibo yan at i-liquidate ng maayos yan. Kasi anytime it is fully discretionary, mas nagiging issue at mas nagiging gray area for corruption. Guys, at the end of the day, taxpayers' money pa rin yan. Kung private corporation kayo at gusto nyo magbigay ng 1.5 monthly bonus or quarterly bonus, wala tayong pake kasi that's a privately run company. But this is taxpayers' money and it should be treated with the utmost respect and care. And that means being totally transparent and being totally accountable. What do you guys think? Comment down below and don't forget to follow for more.